the Creality Halot One, or the Creality Halot One, or the Halot One, or whatever you want to call it. Well, what can I say about this? As the title says, I really don't know. It's an okay printer. I've had mine about 4 days now. I've done a lot of stuff. Hang on a minute. Just as the title says, don't even think about buying it. Just go and buy it. It's absolutely amazing. A great starter printer to get into resin printing. Now I'm going to put a little bit of me on the screen now, just showing you some of the settings and things like that. But it's an awesome printer. I've done actual PLA printing most of the time. This is my first resin printer. Absolutely stunning, awesome bit of kit, quite cheap. I paid 189 Great British pounds, which is $290 It's great. I'm using water washable resin. That's amazing as well. Some of the quality of the prints I'll show you now. I'm doing some Ghostbusters Proton Pack parts at the minute, as well as a few other things. They've come out absolutely amazing. Really, really impressed. I know it's my first resin printer, but it's great. Just as the title says, it's not clickbait. If you think it is clickbait, fair enough, but don't think about buying one. Just go and buy one. Simple as that. And I thought I'd put this little video up just telling people about it, basically. If you're wondering what to buy, even buy one of these before you go into like PLA printing. Just get a resin one. Go ahead and do it. Buy it.